Ever wonder why your money disappears so fast? It all comes down to expenses. Today, we'll break down what expenses are and how understanding them can help you manage your money better. An expense is simply anything you spend money on. It could be your groceries, rent, phone bill, or even a coffee. Anytime money leaves your wallet or bank account, that's an expense. You can think of expenses in different categories. For example, fixed expenses. These are costs that stay the same each month, like rent, mortgage, or insurance. You pay them regularly no matter what. And then there are your variable expenses. These change depending on what you do or buy. For example, food, gas, or entertainment. If you eat out more, these costs go up. If you cook at home, they go down. It depends on the circumstances. Knowing your expenses can help you budget smarter, avoid debt, and save for goals.